How to get Spotify Premium on Android. This tutorial shows you how to subscribe to Spotify Premium directly from your Android device. First, open the Spotify app on your Android device. After that, tap on Premium from the bottom navigation bar. From there, you'll see all the available premium plans: individual, duo, family, and student. At this point, choose the plan that works best for you and tap on it. In the next step, tap on Get Started or Try Free if a trial is available for your account. Following this, enter your payment details or choose your preferred payment method to complete the purchase. Once done, tap on Buy or Subscribe to confirm your subscription. Finally, go back to the Spotify app and log out, then log back in if premium features haven't activated yet. Your account should now be fully upgraded. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you get Spotify Premium, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.